I recently discovered this wonderful new world of lasers and I'm so excited about starting. I love the idea of having to develop custom engraved products using various materials, wood, acrylic, metals, just to name a few. And as this is my first time ever, I would appreciate you go along with me on this journey. After doing quite a lot of research on 10-watt machines, there are so many to choose from, each with an advantage over the other. I finally decided on this beginner laser based on the safety features, the reviews, and its price when compared to other similar machines. Hi YouTube, welcome to my channel, and for those who are returning, it's good to have you back. I'm Shababs, and in this video we're going to unbox and check out the MECPOW X3 Pro Module Laser Engraver Bundle with Rotary. I've seen some videos about this MECPOW but still had so many questions, and well, I just got this, so I decided to go over every single thing from unboxing to installing the driver and the program and more. We might have to divide the videos in parts. Below you'll find the links. Also at the end of the video you can click on the end screen to go to the next video. Before we continue, remember this is not only an unbox but also a tutorial channel. What you might know, others might not know. Please keep the comments polite so we can all benefit from each other. Without further ado, let's get started. A little about the package dimensions. Package weighs about 6 kilograms, which is about 13 pounds. Package size is 80 by 26 by 11.7, or let's just say 11 centimeters, which is 800 by 260 by 117 millimeters. So if you're trying to get this shipped to your country, at least you have an idea what you're gonna pay for transportation. So talking about the package content, we have a power adapter, two rear stands, one for the left and one for the right, and a front stand. The left y-axis, the right y-axis. front x-axis and a rear x-axis. A laser module, a USB cable, some wood boards, actually 2 of them, an aluminum plate, focusing screen, goggles, two keys, a user manual, 3 types of screw. We have an M5 by 12, an M5 by 30, an M5 by 8 with gaskets, and a manual screw, 2 hex key, a 2mm hex key and a 2.5mm hex key, 2 cable ties, a Phillips screwdriver, a timing belt, air pump kit. So checking the air pump kit, we have in the box, we have the air pump, 1 air pump, a power adapter, a tube connector, the user manual. And lastly, we have the X-axis assembly with control box. So the laser engraver comes with various tools and accessories to get you started. You get an air assist pump, a user manual, adapter, controller screws, screwdriver, Allen key, brackets, aluminum guide rods, and more in the box. One of the reasons for choosing this engraver is the adjustable air assist pump that comes with it. I don't know how good it is or if it's long lasting, but I do know that air pumps help to remove debris and smoke for a cleaner cut. Also prevents buildup of combustible materials, thus reducing the risk of fire, and it's reasonably budget compared to other lasers. Plus, with the adjustable knob on this pump, you can easily regulate the airflow. Other reasons are the safety features that comes with it, like the flame sensor, emergency stop button, a gyroscope sensor to detect tilt. If the machine tilts more than 50 degrees or so, the control board stops the machine to prevent damage. There is also a security lock and bump protection, limit switches for added security. The security lock and key prevents any unauthorized access, perhaps from curious children or people, and the limit switch is a bonus as you can set a home command and the printer head will go to the home position, helping thus to start a job from the same place every time, even after interruptions. That's good for newbies like myself. The laser engraver comes with a fixed focus laser and a focusing screen. The laser has a built-in laser eye protector shield, and you'll also get a pair of laser safety glasses in the box for additional eye protection. The fixed focus saves you time in adjusting the focus, and the focusing screen helps you move the laser head to the correct position. To use it, just slide down the laser head till it touches the focusing screen on the object, and then remove the focusing screen. There are 4 connection options: a USB, TF card, Wi-Fi, or the smartphone app, which you'll find as MKS Laser, so you can easily connect without a computer. It has a standard dimension of 400 by 410 millimeters, which is kind of like 40 centimeters by 41 centimeters, which you can extend up to 4 millimeters by 750 millimeters, or 40 centimeters by 75 centimeters. Other things that you might want to know about this engraver is that frame material is made of high strength aluminum alloy. The electrical power 60 watts, laser power 10 watts more or less, wavelength 450 more or less. Engraving speed is 10,000 millimeters per minute. Engraving accuracy 0.01 millimeters. Service life is more or less 10,000 hours, and you can basically use any kind of material to work on this: wood, acrylic, china, fabric, bamboo, plastic, board, leather, even food. System support is Windows or Mac, and software support, you can choose either the Laser Gerbil, which is a free software for Windows, or the Lightborn, which is a paid software for both Windows and Mac OS. And finally, this supports various formats. Unfortunately, this is as far as we'll go for now for those who are only interested in the unboxing. I hope this video has been helpful to you and has given you enough information about the MECPOW X3 Pro 10 watt laser. But if you're interested in knowing more about it, the initial setup and other features, you can click the link below or on the end screen to access the next part. I appreciate your time watching this video. Let me know what you think about the MECPOW, or if you have any questions, or if you already have any experiences you would like to share. Leave them down below in the comment section. If you liked the video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell button to receive a notification every time we upload new videos. Thank you for watching, and as always, catch you guys in the next one.